When I was a business group financial controller, I have to analyze the subgroup profit statement one by one. So what I did is I will create a template, and each template would consist of one subgroup. Then I will list down all the account codes over here, and I will list down the month column by column, getting ready to fill in the numbers, and I will have the quarter set up here with formulas to add up all the quarters or add up all the relevant quarters. Then when I receive the numbers itself, I will look for the particular month, and I will scroll down to look for the cost and fill in the numbers. Notice here there are lots of empty blanks until I find the one that I want, and I will fill it in. And I have to do this for many subgroups. I used to do as many as 20, 30 subgroups. I spent a lot of time doing this. Now it's not efficient, but I have no choice but to use this method because that was the fastest method that I know of. Now, what I did is now I found a new method to do it, and this new method is using PowerPivot. Now, using PowerPivot itself, I can actually prepare the financial statement by revenue, cost of goods sold, even putting in the gross profit and gross margin inside the PowerPivot here, plus OPEX and net income in just a few lines. Now, I don't have to deal with multiple lines and empty lines. Whenever I need to look at a particular section of the income statement, I can just basically double click on it, and it will actually expand the particular section for me. That was a great time saver. Now, not only that, I can also analyze my subgroup now by column. So all I need to do is to put in the subgroup on top the header here, and it will just roll over. So even if I have 20, 30 subgroups, it will be easy for me to actually analyze them. Now, that's not all. With this PowerPivot itself, I can actually put the division away and give me the company total. And maybe now I decide to actually analyze them by month. All I need to do is to drop the month info into the column, and now it actually spread across 12 months. So I can actually have two different views. And in fact, that's not all as well. The third way to do is I can actually analyze the subdivision data by month just by doing a filter. So with this, analysis was so much easy for me, and I'm quite sure that this will cut down my analysis by 50%. In fact, even more. 50% is just a conservative estimate that I gave myself. Now, if you are in the same situation as me before, creating templates, and you wish to learn this new method, complete the form below with your name and your email address, and I'll follow up with you. This is Jason from Everyday Excel Business Lab.